Hey enamel friends, it's me, Sandra. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know that there's going to be a few changes to my Vimeo subscription channel. As you may know, I have been making videos, tutorial videos mostly, on my Vimeo channel since 2018. I've been making 2 videos every single month, and quite frankly, it's not that I haven't run out of ideas, but I'm thinking that it's time for me to take a short hiatus from making tutorial videos. So I have over 170 tutorial videos on my Vimeo channel, and I'm going to leave them up, and I hope you will consider maintaining your subscription if you want to have access to those videos. But I will be significantly lowering the monthly cost. So if you do decide to stay, thank you. The new cost is going to be $4.95 per month. And the good news is if you subscribe at the lower amount, when I do start posting videos again, I'm going to be doing them not 2 times a month. I'm going to be creating an entire tutorial and posting all of that all at once. I don't have a time frame for that right now, but when I do start really posting again, I probably am going to raise the price. And if you have stayed subscribed, you will forever get the lower price and never get the price raised for you. So whatever you need to do, I totally get it. I just really want to, quite honestly, I feel like I've lost the focus of my work, and I really want to focus on making jewelry and kind of growing my body of knowledge, which of course I'll pass on to you when I start making videos again. So thank you so much for understanding, and for all of my longtime subscribers, thank you so much, specifically to all of you, for supporting me on my Vimeo channel. And I will certainly keep you posted when I start posting videos again. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care.